Some exercises are not just ineffective, they're slowly wrecking your joints, and most people have no clue. If your workouts are causing aches, stiffness, or clicking sounds in your shoulders, knees, or lower back, you might be doing more harm than good. So in this video, let's break down the 5 exercises you need to either fix or stop doing immediately to protect your joints long term. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now before we dive in, welcome to the Daily Rep, your go-to spot for real, honest, and powerful tips to train smarter, eat better, and become your strongest self, inside and out. Let's get into it. Number 1. Upright rows. At first glance, they seem like a great shoulder and trap builder. But the problem lies in the shoulder rotation. Specifically, the internal rotation combined with elevation, which can compress your shoulder's supraspinatus tendon. This puts unnecessary strain on the rotator cuff and can lead to impingement syndrome over time. If you've felt sharp pain or tightness near your delts during this move, that's your shoulder joint waving a red flag. A better alternative? Try lateral raises or face pulls with proper form. They'll target the same muscles without the risk. And number 2, behind the neck lat pull-downs. This exercise forces your shoulders into an unnatural, externally rotated and abducted position. It stresses your rotator cuff and cervical spine, especially if you lack shoulder mobility. Most people compensate by arching their neck forward or jerking the bar down with poor control, increasing the chance of injury. Instead, switch to front lat pull-downs or pull-ups. They provide great back activation and are far more joint-friendly. And number 3, deep-weighted dips. Dips can be amazing for your chest, triceps, and shoulders, but going too deep puts extreme stress on the front of the shoulder joint. If your shoulders start to feel pinchy or inflamed afterward, it's likely because the humeral head is shifting too far forward in the socket. You're literally grinding your own cartilage. Modify your range of motion, or do bench dips with strict form and shoulder alignment, or replace them with close grip push-ups. Same gains, less strain. And number 4, Smith machine squats. Many people assume this is a safer alternative to free weight squats, but it actually locks your body into a rigid movement pattern that's not natural for most people's hip and knee mechanics. As a result, your knees may push forward too far, or your lower back might overcompensate. Both scenarios are brutal for your joints. If you want safe gains, use dumbbell goblet squats or regular barbell squats with proper technique and mobility drills. And number 5, kipping pull-ups. Popular in CrossFit, kipping pull-ups involve using momentum and body swing to complete reps. While it may help you pump out numbers, it takes a serious toll on the shoulders, especially if you haven't built a strong base of controlled, strict pull-ups. The dynamic jerking motion can inflame tendons, irritate ligaments, and destabilize your shoulder joint fast. Stick with slow, controlled pull-ups with full range of motion to strengthen the same muscles safely. Remember, joint pain is not a badge of honor. It's a warning. Your body's ability to move freely without pain is more important than hitting a PR. So ditch these joint-wrecking moves or modify them to save your future self from injury and surgery. Smart training is sustainable training. So if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the Daily Rep, hit that like button, and turn on the notifications because we're just getting started. Stay connected with us for more real, honest, and powerful tips to transform your body and mind the healthy way. Don't just watch others change, become your own success story. See you in the next one.